haloalkanes, but today discussion on preparation method of haloalkane. Going on, first method of preparation method of haloalkane, the first halogenation of alkane. We remember direct halogenation action of alkane is presence of sunlight, heat or suitable catalyst yield haloalkane. Means haloalkanes cannot form in direct process. Haloalkane only preparation in presence of any catalyst, sunlight or heat. The first reaction is CH4. CH4 means hydrocarbon first member methane. Methane react with chlorine in presence of sunlight. H Planck constant means H mu Planck constant in formation the methyl chloride. Methyl chloride haloalkane. Again chlorine formation the CH2Cl2 di. Here student, haloalkanes is a primary mono. Here dihaloalkanes, trihaloalkanes, another name is chloroform, and again Cl2 in presence of and formation the CCl4 carbon tetrachloride. Here student, carbon tetrachloride is a good solvent in our organic chemistry and water is a good solvent in chemistry. That's all. Dear student, previous topic preparation method of haloalkanes, first method discussion. Here second method discussion. From alkene. From alkene. In this method, example ethene it is an ethylene, simple name ethylene and IUPAC name ethene. When ethene react with hydrogen halide gives out to ethyl bromide, gives out to ethyl bromide, and IUPAC name is bromoethane, methane, ethane, bromoethane. But this reaction determine the symmetrical and unsymmetrical hydrocarbon. This compound is a symmetrical hydrocarbon. What is the symmetrical and unsymmetrical hydrocarbon? Symmetrical hydrocarbon is the balance number of same atom each both side is called symmetrical hydrocarbon. But the different both side area is different. A different both side area number of atom is called unsymmetrical. Hydrocarbon. When unsymmetrical hydrocarbon react with hydrogen halide gives out to. Then give out blackboard. Two bromopropane. 1, 2, 3. 2 bromopropane. is IPC name. You know and think you bromine attached in this compound, but wrong. According to Marconi-Karp law. According to Marconi-Karp law. According to Marconi-Karp law, in this rule, about of unsymmetrical hydrocarbon, when any unsymmetrical hydrocarbon react with hydrogen halide, in the hydrogen halide presence one atom of bromide or halide or chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. react in unsymmetrical hydrocarbon where present the less number of hydrogen, so attach the bromine, less number of hydrogen is called Marconi-Karp law. Again revise. According to Marconi-Karp law, hydrogen halide in halide atom were attacked in unsymmetrical hydrocarbon where present the less number of adding hydrogen. So formation of 2-bromopropane. This is a Marconi-Karp law. According to Marconi-Karp law, in different condition, in the Marconi-Karp law, they revise this rule followed by the Marconi-Karp law. Thank you.